Dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Mizo Fashion Design. In this video, we will be watching Mizo Sunday dress for winter season. Going on with this video, let me tell you tips to boost your confidence so that you can dress confidently and live confidently. Number 1. Be confident with your body. Accept the fact that you are not a supermodel. It's okay to have short legs and 30% body fat. As long as you are taking care of your body, you should be proud of your figure. When you are confident with yourself, dress confidently will be much easier. Number 2. Smile. Make sure you don't have lipstick on your teeth. A smile is the best accessory to any outfits. Remember to smile when you need a boost of confidence. Number 3. Know yourself. Flaunt the body part make you feel confident. Understand your body type and highlight your best feature. Drive all the attention to your favorite body part. For example, use a belt with heels buckles to emphasize your waistline or wear an off-the-shoulder top to highlight your neckline. Number 4. Wear clothes that make you feel comfortable. You won't feel confident in clothes you can't be yourself. If you can't walk normally in heels, then don't wear heels. You don't need a certain kind of shoes to be sexy. If you had belt bags hanging around your waist, then wear a crossbody bag. You don't need to force any fashion trend on yourself to be stylish. If you just love the simple t-shirt and jeans combo, then don't put on a floral dress. You don't need an outfit to make you interesting and beautiful. The key to dressing confidently is to feel comfortable in your clothes. Number 5. Wear sunglasses. Hiding behind sunglasses like a coward actually makes me feel more confident. It seems easier to not care about other people's stare when wearing sunglasses, especially when my sunglasses are fabulous like this pair from Raven. Hold your head against. Own your look. I know you feel people are staring and judging all the time. Maybe they are, maybe they are not. Just hold your head high and own it. The thing is, people will always have opinions about your clothes, your makeup, your hair, but your own opinion is the only that matters. Your confidence will radiate and people will more likely to agree with your style. Number 6. Have fun with fashion. Don't take yourself too seriously. Experiment with different styles and trends. The more you practice, the more confidence you feel. Try a few new things every now and then. Don't restrict yourself saying things like I never look good in red or I can't pull off a beggar boy hat. Well, have you tried? Yes, you should try and make things out for yourself. Number 7. Embrace your flaws and mistakes. Anyone can make a mistake and wear things they shouldn't wear. Don't let a mistake or two destroy your confidence. Bad outfit day. So, select the best things for you and wear it confidently. Please like this video, share, subscribe, and give comments. And also hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest posts from this channel. Please watch till the end. Thank you.